So how was work today, Meg? Peter, you lost your job because of the superstore. You shouldn't blame Meg. And you can stop making that fart sound every time someone says Meg.
So, how was your day exploiting the town's resources, Meg?
Meg! Meg! Meg, 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 Meg! Meg.
I'm not gonna sit here and take this. I'm the only one in this family who has a job.
Yeah, like she'd get paid for that.
What did he just say to you?
Nothing. There was... Well, it's like if you were... Forget it. It's nothing, Meg.